There we go, elevated surface, much better. So the next build from IKEA is going to be the Skubb. Let's open Skubb up. Skubb up. Wow, look at these containers. There were supposed to be 6, so let's find out if there's actually 6. Oh wow, there is, okay. Let's open the Skubb instructions. Oh, I guess it doesn't really come in instructions. It's supposed to be that simple. All right, so there's this little guy. Open him up. Ta-da! And then you just zip the guy up. There's a zipper on the inside. You gotta grab him and zip. Maybe. There's not really a thing to pull it, so it's hard. Ta-da! We got one storage bin. Let's see what this guy looks like. Whoa, we got a big one. A bigger. Ah, look at that. Grab and pull. Zip, 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 zip. Just like that. Ta-da! We got 2 Skubbs. Put one Skubb in the big Skubb. Then we got a medium Skubb. Oh no, this is a long Skubb. Okay. Skubb-a-dub-dub. Let's see if he fits in this one. Nope, okay. 3 Skubbs, and then it looks like all of these are the exact same, just of the previous ones I just built. So let's do that really fast and get our 3 bins going. Last one, back to the big one. Take it and the zip, just like that. We got 3 big Skubbs. Well, not 3, I can't count. 6 big Skubbs, 3 different types times 2. And yeah, this is what all the Skubbs look like together. Ah, Skubbs! There's my iPhone setup. Ha!